And to this video, I'm going to show you how I drew Honorable Raila Amolo Odinga from the tools I used to tutorial, and these are the tools.
But before I make...
So these are the brushes that I'm going to use for this project for drawing Honorable Raila Amolo Odinga. These are the makeup brushes. These are graphite pencils from Faber-Castell, Pit Graphite Matte, one of the best pencils in the world. I can truly recommend them. Yes. These are the erasers. This is what you call electric eraser. This one is electric eraser. This is what we call mono zero eraser. This one. And this is what we call kneaded eraser. Looks like a plasticine. This is what we call compressed charcoal. This one. This is 6B. This one. So those are all the tools that I'm going to use. Also, not forgetting a ruler. Yes. And the last one, sandpaper. That is it for the art tools. Now, let's go to the drawings.
Well guys, we're about to hit 1 hour left until the timer runs out and Buster dies. I don't really have much else to say. I put everything into this.
5 minutes left, and Buster has not reached 100,000 subscribers. You tried your very hard.
This far, I love you. Honestly guys, the series has been so much fun. Thank you so much for watching and making normal videos again. Got some bangers coming your way. Thank you guys so much for being a part of this. Hashtag Save Buster.
After, but I still have the rat tail, and so I'm gonna frame it. So I need to go get new screws. This may or may not actually hold, but I'm in too deep, so I'm just gonna try it anyway.
Hapo Karao Kawa West nikapata walikuwa wameokota wengine sijui 6 the previous day. Kwa hivyo hao vijana ni wengi. Mimi wakinikuta 5 ndio wananishughulikia kama watubiri yule jamaa. Jamaa mazee 15 minutes, 30, 45, 1 hour, 1 and a half, 2 hours. Rada ameambiwa tu. Very nice. Wakabonga bonga then jamaa akapata simu tena. Okay.
Dinner is served.
Some extenuating circumstances.
Yeah, apparently. All right, 16,000 laundered at 75 cents on the dollar.
Since headway with your treatment, now it's time we talk about sealing the deal.
Absolutely.
As you know, my initial diagnosis was that your cancer was inoperable. That may help.
Wall, you have to see this.
40 from
Terre Haute. Wall!
Feel anybody?
I love her more than anything.
If you're ready to talk, they want to get a statement. Your side of what happened. Options.
I'm just going to show you screen by screen, and you can pause and look at whatever you want to.
Ni wachana na mimi. Mwizi. But ni mtu amejikakamua, so kuja hapo kuangalia guy, kwani ni nini imefanyika? Ni yule jamaa tumetoka kuibia simu moments ago. Mnamkumbuka? Anaangalia chini anaona, ngoja fast. Mbona huyu msichana anakaa familia? Madam, umeibiwa kitu wakakimbia, alafu huyu akaruka mbele yako, ukamgonga. Pale tao na kukosangi watu wa wanaga form wamekaa tu. Kuna mtu wako kwa stand ya kushainisha kiatu. Ana
specifically, they don't pop because of their titles, their thumbnails, their hooks. They pop because they
Please tap on. Thank you so much for watching. If you have reached to the end of the video, thank you so much for your support, and kindly let me know into the comments if I should continue making such videos, such tutorials, and maybe just let me know into comments what do you think about the video, and I can't wait to show you another project. So until now, thank you so much. Kindly subscribe because it really helps to grow the channel and to make a community. And guys, I can't wait to see what project I have for you guys. And don't forget to draw it till you make it. For now, ciao. Love you guys.